I got a new phone today. This is my first unboxing video of a new phone. Well, even though the new phones are going to come out in a few months, this is still a new one. I got the iPhone 11 Pro, 64 gigabyte, and in the box, with the literature, also, where is it? It comes with a key. There's a metal key in there, and it shows it a key to take out a door that I'm guessing is somewhere around here. That's a either SIM card or a SD card. I'm not sure which one. It doesn't say on it. But when in the box, you get a charging block, headphones, and these are wired headphones. They are not the AirPods. And you also get a Lightning to USB-C, and it has a USB-C adapter on it also. So and then we've got the iPhone 11 Pro is the one that I got, midnight green, with the triple lens camera. It's got the wide angle, ultra wide angle, and telephoto. And there it is. I haven't had a chance. I just got this, so I haven't had a chance to upgrade or customize it or anything yet. Just bottom dock customization. But one problem I had, and one of the reasons that is there is a way that they came out with that said to you take the new iPhone, set it next to the old iPhone, and then just pair them together over Wi-Fi and wirelessly transfer all your data over, and it transfers your apps and everything, and your whole home screen configuration and everything, so it's supposed to look just like the old phone. And what happened to me is I got through everything about setting it up, where you basically I made it all to set up the Face ID and all that stuff, all the way up to where to update the software to the latest 13.5. Alright, you had to update it to the 13.5. So what happened to me was, when I got up to the update the software, it got stuck, and just the circle just kept going around and around and around and around. And then I went online and found out that is kind of an issue that the 11 series is having, that it will get stuck on that updating page. So when that happens, you just turn off the phone, and you do the side button and one of the volume buttons together to power it off, and then you power it back on, and then you have to continue the setup, but get back and go to the to set it up with the iCloud backup. Basically go to the settings, and go to the general and do the software update and wait till it asks you to update the software. That's only if you get that stuck to where it's trying to do the update and it just keeps going around and around and around. Well, that happened to me, and I did have to restore or set up my new phone from my old phone through iCloud backup, which is also why none of my stuff transferred over. So I have a fun long night ahead of me of re-downloading apps onto my phone. But it is a nice phone, and just in case something like that happens to you, just make sure that your iCloud is backed up so that you don't lose any important data.